Lake Country Repair is a family business. Our mission is to serve you through hard work, honesty, fairness, and integrity. Lake Country Repair works to satisfy all stakeholders, including customers, employees, and suppliers. We strive to enhance the image of the industry by providing customers with superior customer service. We treat our customers' property with great care. Our people are true professionals. Technicians are factory trained with background checks. Let us be your home for the best in appliance, heating, and cooling service. Don't settle for overpriced, poor, or just average service. Experience something truly better. Call Lake Country Repair today for a free estimate.